Alright, the canyon bars are installed. And the bearings are back on. Yeah, I think I'm going to like these very much. I made a couple little modifications along the way, and in here I lined the inside of my little bag here on the tank. Now with the lights off, we'll take a look at these running lamps on the front. So the front turn signals are now running lamps. You see how much more light it gives on the side of the bike. And of course we have the rear turn signal serving as running lamps. So I've added 4 lights to the bike, as it were free of charge, just by changing the sockets. I think a significant difference in the amount of light. I also like how the bike sounds since I did away with the catalytic converters. I left the stock muffler is as it was. It's a little coarser, but certainly not loud.